What's up, everyone? My name is Alex Padilla, the Young Bartender. Thank you for watching my first ever YouTube video. I am really excited to start this adventure with you all. I love cocktails, I love craft cocktails, and I'm pretty young, so hence the name Young Bartender. But let's get started. Today, we're gonna be making a daiquiri. Daiquiri, super simple cocktail, 3 ingredients. You have your lime, rum, and sugar. Usually when people think of daiquiris, they think of those, those big frozen concoctions that you get in New Orleans with like all the different fruity flavors. Those are good, but that's not really what a daiquiri is. Daiquiri is super refreshing, super light. I live in California, so it's pretty hot kind of year round. It's October and it's still a little warm outside. So this is perfect for that hot weather. So let's get started. First, we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of fresh lime juice. Usually about 1.5 limes. Maybe not 1.5, 1 lime. Okay. And I always like starting with cheap ingredients first, because with cheap ingredients, if you mess up, you can just start over. And then we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And I am running out of simple syrup. I need to make some more. And this is just simple 1-to-1 simple syrup. Then we're gonna add 2 ounces of white rum. Usually I like the white rums that aren't too, funky, as some might say. I'm using Flor de Caña, extra seco. Pretty good rum. So 2 ounces of that. Perfect. Now we're gonna add some ice to our tin. Yeah. Seal it. Try not to spill like me. And give it a nice shake. Whew. Oh, man. Ooh, it's nice and aerated. That's perfect. Then we're gonna empty out our chilled glass. And this is served with no garnish, and some people serve it with a sugared rim. I just serve it up straight. We're gonna double strain. And there you have it, the daiquiri. Let's give it a sip. Oh, that's so good. It's a really good cocktail. Thank you for watching this, and I'll see you on the next one.